Good evening everybody. Welcome to the Programming Guide channel. This is Bhargavi. Today we are going to discuss about the replacement algorithm, that is least recently used page replacement algorithm. Now here a string is given, right? So in the given string, first we have to find out which page has to be replaced when a new page came. Now First, it will search for the 2. So, 2 is not available in the frames. So, we call it as a page hit and 2 will be entered into the frame. Next, CPU is requesting for 3. 3 is not available in the main memory, that means in the frames. So, after 2, 3 is entered, that we call it as a page fault. Next, CPU is requesting for 2. So, 2 already presented in the frames. So, write as it is and we call that as a page hit. That means if a required page is not there, that we call it as a page fault. If the required page is available, then we say that page hit. Now 1. So CPU is requesting 1. Now 2 and 3 is there. So 1 is to be entered into the frame. Now 2, 3, 1. Now this is also a page fault. Here now it is to be entered with the 5. So 5 has to enter into the frames, but frame already full. So what we have to do? We have to replace any one of the 2, 3, 1. So which place has to be replaced is depends upon the using algorithm. So we are using what? Least recently used algorithm. So is recently used algorithm considers that what? For longest period. So which page? A page used for longest period in past. A page used longest period in past. That means we should consider far from left. So far from left means what? A page is replaced. That means that page has to be page used longest period in the past. Completed pages. Consider completed pages. In that completed pages, which is the least completed page is to be swapped. Now, so from 5, look over past. So, longest period in the past. So, past is this one. So, 1, 2, 3. So, out of this 1, 3, 2. So, which is far to the 5? 3 is far. So, we replace the 5 with the 3. So replace 3. So, replace 3 with 5. So, now write as it is 2 and 1. Next we consider 2. So, 2 is already available in the frames. So, we write as it is 2, 5, 1. So, that we call it as a hit. Right? Next, 4 to be entered into the frame. But 2, 5, 1. So, out of 2, 5, 1. So, out of 2, 5, 1. From this point, consider which is last. So, 2 is side to this only. Before to that 5 is there. Before to that 1 is there. That means what? Far from left. So, far from left, which is there? Far. Which number is there for far to 5? 1 is there. So, 1 is replaced with 4. Now, 2 and 5 as it is. Next, 5. Already 5 is available. So, write as it is. 2, 5, 4. So, we call that as a hit. This is fault. Next, 3 is to be entered. So, if you want to insert 3 into the available frames, so which is to be replaced, consider far from left. So, 5, 4, 2. So, 5, 4, 2. So, 2 to be replaced. 3, 5, 4. Next, 2. So, what we have next? 2. Consider from 2, far from left. That means least recently used. Out of used processes, out of used pages, we consider least. That means low one. Right? Now, so before 2 what we have? 3, 5, so 4. So last one is what? 4. 4 is to be replaced with 2 and 5 and 3 So 5 already available in the frame. So 3, 5, 2. So this is hit. So this is fall. Next 2. So 2 already is available in the frame. So write as it is 3, 5, 2. So that is also a hit. So this is a least recently used algorithm. So in this, how many page faults we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 page faults we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Page hits are 5. So this is a least recently used algorithm. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss about the optimal page replacement algorithm. So optimal page replacement algorithm. So in the last we discussed about the FIFO and least recently used algorithm. Now this is the optimal page replacement algorithm. So in this algorithm, what page is to be replaced? Replace the page which is not used in the longest dimension of time in future. So that means what? A page is not used for the long time. So that page has to be replaced. Okay. So in least recent used algorithm, which is leastly used one, we are replacing. Whereas in optimal replacement algorithm, which is not used in right now. So that may be used for a long time. After long time, a page is to be executed. So such kind of pages are to be executed. Consider we have P1, P2 and again after some long time P2 is there. So P3 has to be entered into the frame. So which page has to be removed? So P2 has longest time to be executed next. So P2 has replaced with P3. That means a page is executed, a page is replaced. Which one? The longest time interval that is used. That means after long time the page has to be executed again. So such kind of pages are replaced. So here in short we can say that, so far from right. Far from right. So that means from where we have to replace, from that we consider the rightmost page. So LRU, far from left, optimal, far from right. So this is a trick to remember. Now 2. So this is a page fault. Next 2, 3. So this is also a page fault. Next 2. So we call it as a page hit. So that means what? Already available is there. So we write as page hit. Now the next demanding page is what? 1. So already 2 and 3 are there. Now 1 is entered. So that is also a page fault. Now the turn comes for the replacement. Till that available frames are there. So no need of replacing. Now 5 is to be replaced. That means 5 has to be entered into the frame. So one of the element to be replaced. So here from this 5, look over to the right. Look over to the right. So out of available pages 2, 3, 1, check which one is lastly used. Which one is at the last we are using. That means 2 is near to the 5 only. 4 not there. So next to consider 3. So 3 is here. But 1 is not in use in future also. So which one has to be replaced? 1 has to be replaced. Why? Because 2 is here only, 3 is here only. But one frame is not going to use in future also. So such kind of frames are replaced. 2, 3, 5. So this is what? This is also a page hit. Now next 2. So already 2 is available. So we call it as a hit. 2, 3, 5. So now next which one has to enter? The fourth page has to enter into frames. So 2, 3, 5. So consider from 4 to the right. Now look at our 2. So 2 is here. Next 3. 3 is here. Next 5. So 5 is here. 3 is here. 2 is here. So out of this 5, 3, 2, which page we are lastly executing. So 5 is here only. Next 3 executed. Next 2 will be executed. So which is far? So 2 is the far from right. So 2 is to be replaced with the 4. So what is called? This is a hit. Next we have 5. So already page 5 we have. So write as it is. We call it as a hit. Next 3 is to be entered. So 4, 3, 5. So this is also a hit. Why? Because 3 already there. Now turn off 2. Turn off 2 come. Right? Now look 2. So after 2 what elements we have? 5 we have. So 5 is not to be replaced. Again 2 we have. But 4 and 3 are not going to use in future also. So here you can replace 4 or 3, your wish. But some of the authors are saying that when the 2 pages are used, so first in first out principle is used. So which is the first element? 4 is the first element. So replace the 4. So I am replacing with the 2, 3, 5. Next 5 already there. 2, 3, 5. That is a page sheet. Already 2 is there. 2, 3, 5. That is a page sheet. So here how many number of page faults we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page faults are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are page hits are 6. So out of all 3 page replacement algorithms, optimal page replacement algorithm is the best algorithm due to the less number of page faults. Clear? So this is about optimal page replacement algorithm. Thank you for watching.